Now we're going to roll our dice for beginning the RPG game. And how do we do that? Well, inside the app, on the roll dice page, we go down to the bottom and we can see the button for roll dice. So what we do now is we just push the buttons. Very simple. All right, you ready? I'm going to click it. All right, you get a message that says the information was sent to the server. You click OK. And now we can see we have 4 dice rolls left. Because the total we can roll the dice is 5 times. 5 times is maximum. You can do more than 4, more than 3, more than 2, but you cannot do more than 5. 5 is the maximum. You can do 1. If you're happy with 1, you can do 2. Or you can go all the way to 5. But once you do 5, that's it. You're stuck. Okay, what happened here? Well, after we push the button, we can see that the result is 4 left. Our bonus is 3. And we rolled 27. So we got 27. But because we have a bonus, because we did so good last time, we get +3. So that's great. So these are the points we can spend. What do we do when we want to spend our points? Well, when we want to spend our points, we need to go over to the right side of the sheet and begin working on spending points. Let me jump over there. And that's here. Resistance, flex, max, delivery, units, importance, and quality. And when we do that one by one, you can see some information pops out that helps you understand it. I'll review that next.